just those experiences, you get away from the drugs and the violence and the gangs and just get out of the neighborhood, just that moment helped to change my life. And I know it will do the same thing for so many kids.
Where are we going? We have houses in our community that are involved in drugs, violence. We don't want these kids involved in that. So I'm just there to steer them into the right direction.
I'm really happy that the trips are in my life.
If we can be the spark for these kids to change, it's worth every single minute.
We're opening up a trip family. They run this thing called the Bus Ministry, and they invite these kids into their home. They give them a hot meal. You know, in the inner city, when you don't have anywhere else, you really need to have a safe house.
There's no way I could be there and not want to do more.
I got one question. Can we do this?
You're not gonna believe this. So I meet a guy by the name of Tom Lewis who has a place called the Fishing School. Takes kids in off the streets. For us to be here and not help these folks out, it would be a drag.
It would be the biggest bill we'd ever done.
Here we have two people that are making great futures for kids.